So in this video, I'll be showing you guys a very simple hands-on strategy on EuroCAD. Now, this indicator is very powerful. It works with confluences, and I'll show you guys how it works, right? So this indicator can predict the future. Obviously, it is not 100% accurate, but with confluences, it can be very accurate. So I'm going to show you an example. As you can see right here. Here we have a support, right? Right here. You can see prices bouncing on this support, and we've got a projection from this indicator showing us that price might bounce right here and continue upwards. So we simply have to wait for a rejection right here and get into a trade. It is that easy, right? Or alternatively, what you're going to do is you can also use trend lines, right? Use trend lines or Fibonacci. As you can see right there, and whenever the price comes to any of these zones and it's projected on this indicator, you can wait for a rejection at any of these levels and take your trade. That is how easy it is, right? Test it out and let me know how it works.